October, I made over $7,000 from swing trading stocks. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I did that, my mindset and my strategy behind it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. My name is Carter, and we talk about everything money on this channel: stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategy, how I find stocks, the opportunity with swing trading, everything you must know about it. It's super exciting. We have group chats, quizzes. I'll put it down below, and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So make sure you guys check that out, but let's dive into this. I hope you guys enjoy it. So like I said, in October, I made $7,612 from swing trading stocks. Now, you might be saying, Carter, what is swing trading? Well, in simple terms, swing trading is when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than a year. When you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day, that's considered a day trade. It's a different strategy, mindset. Now, when you buy a stock and you hold it for more than a year, that's considered a long-term investment. It's a different tax bracket strategy and mindset. On average, I do hold my swing trades for about 2 weeks. This is where I get the best profit during that time. So like I said, in October, I did make over $7,000 from swing trading. Well, I made a 4-step plan that you guys can follow, but just to be completely honest, that this is going to take time. If you're under the impression that swing trading is easy or it's a get rich quick, you should leave the video. Swing trading is a career. It should be treated as one. You're going to need to practice, get education. It's like a doctor trying to become a doctor or an engineer trying to become an engineer. It's going to take a while, and it's going to take practice, hard work, and persistence in order to be successful. But if you guys are willing to put in the time, let's talk about this 4-step plan. All right, step number 1 is to get a broker. A broker is how you guys can buy and sell. Personally, the broker I love is Moomoo. Now, the reason why I love it is they have stock scanners on there. They have great charting, great indicators, great analysis, a whole bunch of things that is awesome with this company. But on top of that, what they have is something called paper trading. Paper trading is using simulated money to practice your strategy, practice your plan, practice your approach with the markets. And this kind of brings me to step number 2. But before we jump into that, I'll put a link to Moomoo down below so you guys can sign up. But now that you guys have a broker, the last thing you guys should do is fund your account. I see time after again where we see people and beginners fund their account with $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 and start trading. They go into it blind, and before you know it, their account is blown up and it's all the way down to zero. This is the last thing you guys should do. During this time, you guys should take time, anywhere from 6 months to a year, and paper trade. I want you to paper trade as much as possible. Practice that strategy, practice your approach, practice how you find opportunity, practice, and at the end of the video, I'll show you my latest swing trade. All right, now that you guys paper traded for 6 months to a year, now this is where things start getting fun, where you can actually fund your Moomoo account. This is fantastic, but one thing you may realize is paper trading and using your hard-earned cash, you're gonna have a lot more emotion tied to your money. So this is where I would not go heavy with your funds at first and just start practicing using your money. Do this for about a month so you can understand that there's emotion tied to your money. Now, in my personal opinion, I found that emotions make up about 85% of swing trading. Now, the reason why is because when you lose money, the first thing you think of, how can I get this back? If you're thinking that you have the wrong approach. The second thing, you think, every stock you buy is going to go up. No, it's not. With swing trading, I am telling you, emotions play a key factor on if you're profitable or not. And obviously, during all this time, you need to understand risk management rules so you don't lose your money. Because risk management isn't about making money, it's about keeping your money. So make sure you guys incorporate when you buy, when you sell, your stop loss, and your profit. So now that you guys funded your account and you're doing this for about a month, just slowly start learning that money is tied to emotion. Now you can start funding your account larger and start growing it. Now, one of the things I see time after again is people with $1,000 or $2,000 that are swing trading. They're saying, Carter, I want to make $1,000 a week. That's That's not possible. I'm just saying it's very, very unlikely that you can turn $1,000 into $1,000 every week. And with your first month of trading, have realistic expectations. Don't expect to turn $1,000 into $1,000 every week. It's very, very unlikely, and you're going to start choosing these bad companies, these risky companies that are going to blow up your account. Now that you guys start practicing and you're actually slowly starting to grow your account, what we see time after again is traders not learn from their mistakes and not learn in general. With the stock market, it constantly changes, and if you're not learning, you're actually not improving. You know, everything changes. The stock market, the economy, everything. So you have to stay up to date. You have to constantly improve and use your losses as opportunity to learn more, even your profits. So constantly learn. And you guys will be in a great spot, but let's turn to the computer and look at my latest swing trade. Alrighty, so this is the most recent swing trade that I've done. It's actually on Google. Now, looking at the stock, the first thing I always look for is that great upward trend. Then, on top of that, understanding basic support. So support is where we get natural buying pressure. You guys will notice that we get buying pressure near and around this red line, which represents the 200-day moving average. You guys will see it hit it several times, establishing very hard support. So what I did, I understood that. Now, when this stock sells off to the red line again, I'm ready to go. I sent an alert there. Boom. The stock sold off. I hopped in at about 123, and this stock has soon moved its way up, all the way up to about $137. This is an absolute beautiful swing trade. On top of that, understanding my stop loss was right below 120, which is right below the red line. My first profit was 134, and now I'm holding to see if we can get a push back up to 139. This is a basic swing trade strategy that a lot of people can implement, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even an expert swing trader. Very, very basic, but easy to understand and easy to follow. Understanding moving average lines act as supports, setting your alerts so you can get notified, and hopping in, understanding your stop loss profit, and all that good stuff. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next. And don't forget to check out my course. See you guys.